Hi everyone. Let's see in this video what are the case study solutions of mathematics standard 23-24. Already we have seen multiple choice questions answers in the previous videos. Now let's see what are the solutions of case study in standard paper mathematics 23-24. Now let's see question number 36. In question number 36, question is given related to arithmetic progression. In question it is mentioned that it is a game. In this game some numbers are there on spots. So here it is given nth spot is denoted by 20 plus 4n. It is given that nth spot of the game is 20 plus 4n. Generally nth spot means what we have to consider? Nth term of the progression we have to consider. How do we represent nth term? Nth term will be represented by an, and that an is given as 20 plus 4n. You should understand this first. An is given as 20 plus 4n. Now coming to down, first question is to find out which spot is numbered as which number is on the first spot. Question number 1 is which number is on the first spot. Now we know nth spot, we want first spot. So what we have to do? We have to find out a1. How can we find out a1? By substituting 1 in the place of n. So if you substitute 1 in the place of n, we get a1 is equal to 20 plus 4 into 1. That is 20 plus 4, which is finally 24. So what is present on the first spot? What is the number that is there on the spot 1? First spot 24 is on the first spot. This is what first question answer. Now coming to question number 2. In question number 2, there is internal choice question also, that is 2 marks question. Here, first question is which spot is numbered as 112? Which spot is numbered as 112 means already number on the spot it is given. That means you should understand an is given. An is given as 112. Then what they are asking to find in this? Which spot is numbered means what? You have to find out n. Here an is given, we have to find n. We already know an is 20 plus 4n, so we should equate 20 plus 4n to 112. Then by this we understand 4n is equal to 112 minus 20, that is 4n is equal to 92. Then n is equal to 92 by 4 after cancellation. After cancellation we get 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. So it is what? 23. So what is the conclusion? Which spot is numbered as 112? 23rd spot is numbered as 112. This is the answer. 23rd spot is the correct answer. Here 24 is there on the first spot. Now for this another question also we can do, or another what they are asking to find. What is the sum of all numbers on the first 10 spots? Sum of all numbers on the first 10 spots means what we have to find out? S10 we have to find out. What is SN formula? There are two formulae we use here, n by 2 into a plus l, because it is simple. Then here what is the information we know? N is equal to 10 we know, because we want numbers on the first 10 spots. And a already we know. Where we know a first spot already we did here, a1 is how much? 24. So a1 is 24, that is a is 24, that also we know. But we don't know l. What is l here? L is nothing but last term. Last term means here in this case 10th term, because we want s10. So 10th term, how can we find? a10. A10 is what? 20 plus 4 into 10, because when you want 10th term you have to substitute just 10 in the place of n. That is 20 plus 40, 60. 20 plus 40, 60. So now let us find out S10. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into A. A is 24 and L is 60. So we get S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 84. After cancellation we get 42. So we got S10 is equal to 10 into 42, which is 420. So sum of numbers on the first 10 spots sum of numbers on first 10 spots is 420. We got this also. Now question number 3 in the same case study is about, we have to find which number is on the n minus 2th stop. This is most of the students they confused here. Now let's see question number 3 in the same case study question, that is which number is on the n minus 2th stop. Here most of the students confused how to find out it. It is just like how we have an, we have to find n minus 2. This is similar to the question number 1. There they asked which number is on the first spot. Here which number is on the n minus 2th spot. So in the first spot what we did, we substituted 1 in the place of n. Then when you want n minus 2th stop, you have to substitute n minus 2 in the place of n. So what an is equal to, we know 20 plus 4n. Then when you want n minus 2th spot, you just write n minus 2 in the place of n. We want a n minus 2, that is 20 plus 4 into n minus 2. That's it. Wherever n is there, there we have to substitute n minus 2. Then we get 20 plus 4n, 4 into 2, 8. Now that is 20 minus 8, 12. So that is 12 plus 4n. This is what? A n minus 2. Because they did not give a number, it is given as n minus 2. Your answer also will be there in terms of n only. So these are the answers of case study 36th question, arithmetic progression. Now let's see next case study, one more. I think all the case study questions in all the 3 sets are same. Numbers may be different, but questions are same. Now let's see next question. That is about surface areas and volumes. Question number 37. Surface areas and volumes. Here what it is given. Now let's see another question from surface areas and volumes. Question number 37. Here question is given about cuboidal milk packet and a cuboidal carton box and one more a cup. 3 solids are given. Now questions are given related to 3 solids. Now the first question is to find the volume of cuboidal carton. First question is to find out the volume of cuboidal carton. So we have to find out the dimensions. It is given length of the cuboidal carton box is 30 centimeters, and one more breadth you can take it as 32 centimeters, and height we can take it as 15 centimeters. These are the dimensions given for cuboidal carton box. So here we have to find out the volume in the first question. So what is the volume of the cuboid? Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. So we have to find 30 into 32 into 15. So we have to find 30 into 32, that is 3 2 is a 6, 3 3 is a 9. So 960 into 15. 960 into 15 we have to multiply again. 0, 30, 48, then this is 0, 6, 9, 0, 0, 4. So what it is? 14,400 centimeter cube. This is what volume of cuboidal carton box. So what we can write? The conclusion, volume of cuboidal carton is equal to 14,400 centimeter cube. First question answer we got over. Now question number 2. In question number 2 they are asking to find the total surface area of the milk packet. What are the dimensions that are given for the milk packet? Dimensions of milk packet, let us take this as L1, B1, H1. L2 dimensions of milk packet are given 15 centimeters. Breadth is given as 8 centimeters and height is given as 5 centimeters. These are the dimensions of the milk packet. Question is to find the total surface area. What is total surface area of a cuboid? TSA of a cuboid. TSA of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, that is 2 into 15 into 8 plus 8 into 5 plus 5 into 15, that is 2 into 15 8 is a 120 plus 8 5 is a 40 plus 15 5 is a 75, that is 2 into 165 plus, that is not 165, 160, 2 into 160 plus 75, that can be written as 2 into 235, that is 2 into 235 is 470 centimeter square. This is what TSA of milk packet. We got second question answer, but here for second question internal choice is also given. Let's do that internal choice question also. Second question or another question for it: how many milk packets can be filled in a carton? So here number of milk packets that can be filled in carton is equal to volume of carton by volume of milk packet. We have to divide these two. We have to divide both the volumes so that we get number of packets that can be kept in the carton. So what is volume of carton? L into B into H, that is 30 into 32 into 15 by volume of milk packet, that is 15 into, this is also cuboid, so 15 into 8 into 5, so 15 ones, 15 twos, 8 ones, 8 fours, 5 ones, 5 threes, so 2 into 4 into 3, 24. So this is what number of milk packets that can be kept in carton, cuboidal carton. That is what question number 2 or question, another question. Now question number 3. Question number 3, the same case study, that is how much milk can the cup hold? Here one cup is given, how much milk it can hold means what, when it comes how much it can hold, it is a capacity, that is what volume. You have to find out volume of the cup. It is there in cylinder shape, so we have to find volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. So here r is given, h is given. By the figure, from figure you can observe r is equal to 5 centimeters and height h is equal to 7 centimeters. So what it is, 22 by 7 into r is 5 into 5 into h is 7. 7 cancels, so 22 into 25, which is, let's do, so what, 50 again 50. So what it is, 550 centimeter cube. This is what volume of cup. This is another one mark question. So these are the answers of question number 37 case study. Surface areas and volumes is little easy only, a bit easy only. Now let's see another case study question, that is from coordinate geometry. Here one figure is given in the graph. From the figure it is very important to identify coordinates first. So what is the first question? Question number 38. First question. First question, they are asking to find the midpoint of the line segment joining F and G. What is F? Where is F and where is G? F and G coordinates we have to write. So coordinates of F. F is on x-axis at -3. So -3 on x-axis. So what are the coordinates of F? -3 comma 0. Now coordinates of G. G is 1 comma 4. Coordinates of G are 1 comma 4. So what we have to find out midpoint of these two, x1, y1, x2, y2. So midpoint formula is what? Midpoint of f minus 3 comma 0 g 1 comma 4. Formula is what? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So that is minus 3 plus 1 by 2 comma 0 plus 4 by 2 minus 2 by 2, 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 by 2. After cancellation, the point is minus 1 comma 2. So therefore what? Midpoint of FG, line segment joining FG, is what? Minus 1 comma 2. This is the answer for the first question. One more question. Now second question. Second question they are asking to find the distance between A and C. So again we have to write the coordinates of A and C both. What are the coordinates of A? 3 comma 4. Coordinates of A 3 comma 4, and coordinates of C is minus 1 comma minus 2. Coordinates of C are minus 1 comma minus 2. Now we have to find out the distance. So here we have to use distance formula. Distance AC is equal to, formula is what? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which can be written further. X2 and x1 substitute, this can be taken as x1 y1, this is what? X2 y2. So minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus 2 minus 4 whole square, that is root of minus 4 whole square plus minus 6 whole square, which is again minus 4 whole square is plus 16, minus 6 whole square is 36, that is root of 52 units. Root 52 units. This is what? Distance between A and C. Question number 2, 2 marks. For this we have internal choice also, another OR question. So let's see that is all. What is that question? How can we solve it? OR question. Here we have to find the point which divides, coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining A and B. So we have to write the coordinates of A. A is what? Just now we have written 3 comma 4, and B is what? 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. B is 3 comma 2. We have to find B is 3 comma 2, and ratio is given as 1 is to 3. So what we know? We also know ratio M1 is to M2, 1 is to 3. We have to find out the point. Here, so here what we use? We use section formula. Px comma y is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. This formula we have to use to find the point. So here Px comma y is equal, by using above formula we have to find the point. Px comma y is equal to, substitute the values, m1 1, x2 3 plus m2 3, x2 is also 3, x2 is also 3 by 1 plus 3 comma m1 1 again, y2 2, m2 3 into y1 4 by 1 plus 3. Then that will become 1 into 3, 3 plus 9 by 4 comma 2 plus 12 by 4. So what it is? 12 by 4 comma 14 by 4, which is 3. After cancellation, 4 3 is a 12, this is 2 2 is a 2 7 is a. So what it is? 7 by 2, or we can also write 3 comma 3.5. This is what? OR question, internal choice question, 2 marks. Now at last, third question is very simple. Just they are asking to find coordinates of D. What are the coordinates of D? Coordinates of D are, by from graph you can observe clearly, It is -2 comma -5. It is in third quadrant. -2 comma -5. That's it. This is one mark question. So these are case study questions in the standard mathematics 23-24. I feel all these questions are simple if you are perfect in the concepts. Not, these questions are not complicated, right? You can solve. Hope you all have done well, and you can check your answers correct or not by seeing this video. Thank you.